What?
I'm going to ask you to go over here to Mathis Brothers with
Why?
the media.
I'm not part of them.
Okay. But you're over here recording and everything, so I'm going to consider you as part of the media. Okay. And I'd like you to go over there.
For what?
Because that's where the media is. If you want to shoot video and everything, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. But that's where you need to go.
Is this not a public area?
It is. But this area is under. We're conducting an investigation, so
I didn't come to you. You came to me.
I understand that.
I'm not bothering you at all, sir.
Are you going to go over there?
I don't think so. I'll probably leave.
Okay, you can leave then.
Well, I'll be leaving when I'm ready. I'm making a report.
No, you're going to leave now, or you're going to go over there?
What's up, guys? Welcome back. We have a quick video that we're going to show you guys. This guy did send me this video a little while back. I have reached out to him and asked him if he can give me more information before I upload this video, but I definitely want to send you guys over to his YouTube channel either way. We're going to go ahead and show you this now, and we're going to give you guys a follow-up if you guys want to redress your grievances, or as soon as we find out where this is at. If any one of you guys know where this is at, let us know in the comment section so we can pin it to the top, and then you guys can redress your grievances, which I'm sure you guys will do that pretty fast. You guys are pretty quick. Let me read to you what it says here. Glenn Pontius writes, "You only have rights if you can afford an attorney. Number 1, I was in public. Number 2, I was on a public sidewalk. Number 3, recording was obvious. Number 4, I did not interfere. I was assaulted, I was injured, I was kidnapped, I was legally searched, I was handcuffed, I had all my rights removed or denied. I was not allowed due process of law. I was ordered to join the news media. I was ordered to leave. I was threatened with violence by law enforcement. I had felony intimidation happen to me and more. Yeah, I have the right." So this guy is obviously pissed off, and he's advocating for some like device that he's putting in cars. I think he has a patent on it or something, I don't know, where I guess the people can find out if there's law enforcement nearby. There's been several accidents, and I guess he's saying that if we have the ability to know if there's a cop nearby, we won't crash into him. I think it's a brilliant idea. I do want to elaborate that at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I think it's a brilliant idea, especially if you're out there and maybe you're smarter than I am and you guys can create some ads. We're going to go ahead and watch the video. This is an insane video. This cop is dumb. He walks up to this guy and he starts telling him, like, go across the street and join the news media over there. You're carrying a camera. And basically what the cop is saying, if he wasn't carrying a camera, he could be there. What a dumb cop. You guys definitely watch this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Let's get to it.
Hi, this is Glenn with the Emergency Vehicle Light, Voice, and Text Systems. I'm out here at a wreck where there's like 5 citizens' cars involved in a wreck with a motorcycle policeman. And currently, there's a really bad issue about it, but nobody seems to care. We got all these police out here, and not one of them is going to ask me anything about this issue and try and stop it from ever happening again. It'll happen again and again and again, over and over and over and over. It just keeps on. You look at my Facebook posts, you'll see it every day. It happens again and again and again and again. Nobody cares. You give them the answer, and what they say, hey, we don't have to. We don't have to do that. That's exactly what I got. I've been in the Department of Public Safety. I've been to all these people, and none of them give a rat's ass about what's going on. And it just keeps continuing. And because of that reason, I believe the state has lost its police powers and does not have any more powers of police anymore. It has lost any information about what to do over these issues.
Something
Hi.
I can do with, sir?
No.
Okay. Just hanging out over here?
Huh?
Are you just hanging out over here?
Well, I'm making a report.
A report?
What's your name?
Officer
Clark?
Yeah.
My name's Glenn Pontius. I'm with the Emergency Vehicle Light, Voice, and Text Systems. And for the last 4 decades, the Oklahoma City Police Department has ignored life-saving technology to test this invention. And the news media doesn't want to put your all's feet to the fire and say, why aren't you using
Oh,
this?
what's your invention?
The emergency vehicle light voice and text system, where it warns all drivers within 1,500 feet inside their soundproof vehicle that a law enforcement officer is approaching. Sorry, I'm nervous, hot, and tired.
Okay.
And
Well, since you work for them, and you're
I don't
making a
work for them.
report-
I'm the owner and inventor.
Okay.
And I have sued Oklahoma City in federal court for not using this device or even having a care
I
about it.
still don't understand what the device is.
The
but
device is a
I'm gonna
warning
ask you to go over
system that
here
warns
with media
everybody
and
about...
Mathis Brothers. Okay.
What?
I'm going to ask you to go over here to Mathis Brothers with
Why?
the media.
I'm not part of them.
Okay. But you're over here reporting and everything, so I'm going to consider you as part of the media.
Okay.
Okay. And I'd like you to go over there
For what?
because that's where the media is. If you want to shoot video and everything, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. But that's where you need to go.
Is this not a public area?
It is, but this area is under. We're conducting an investigation, so
I
I need you to go
didn't
over
come
there.
to you. You came to me.
I understand that.
I'm not
are you going to go
bothering
over
you
there?
at all, sir.
Are you going to go over there?
I don't think so. I'll probably leave.
Okay, you can leave then.
Well, I'll be leaving when I'm ready. I'm making a report.
No, you're going to leave now, or you're going to go over there.
Are you stopping my First Amendment rights?
I am telling you, you can go over there and do that, or you can leave. You said you wanted to leave.
I didn't say I wanted to leave. I said I wanted to finish my report.
Well, if you want to make recordings, you can go to where the media is, or you can leave. Do you understand?
Badge number 2200.
Uh-huh.
You're ordering me to leave.
No, you said you wanted
Now
to leave.
make it up. Am I ordered over there or am I ordered to leave?
You can go over there if you want to stay.
I don't want to
You
go
said you
over
wanted
there.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Are you
you're
refusing to go
ordering
over
me
there?
to leave.
Are you refusing to go over there?
I'm refusing to be part of them.
Okay.
They
Go
know
ahead and
all
put your
about
hands behind
you.
your back. Place your phone on the ground.
Alright folks, I'm going to put the original channel link in the description and pinned comment for you guys. Also, if I find out what department this is, names and badge numbers, I'll pin it to the top. Remember I said that I had an idea regarding this guy's plan, or I don't know if he has a patent or whatnot, but he was saying that he'd like to have like a GPS system where it lets us know if cops are in the area so that we won't crash into them. Like I said, I think it's a brilliant plan, but you know, if you look at your GPS and there's like an accident nearby or whatnot, on that GPS you can actually click a button on your phone or whatnot on the app, and it lets you know if cops are still in the area or if it's cleared up. And I guess that's one of the ways where it stays updated on traffic and stuff like that, and just kind of it's make it user friendly so that we can know what we're pushing and stuff like that, and help each other out. And you know, what if we the people created an app where we say, oh, there's a cop nearby, or there's a incident nearby, or a call that was sent out on the radio, this is the address of where they're at. Or if we knew the coordinates GPS of where the cops are at all times, let's say we pass by and okay, a cop pulled over, there's a traffic stop over here on Chester and Columbus, we can easily click the thing, bam, traffic stop, you know, and it would show the people where police are. I mean, if you really think about it, wouldn't that be allowed by the First Amendment? Because we're not basically using it in a nefarious type of way where we just don't want to get a ticket or whatnot, but maybe we just want to know what's going on as a people. What if we want to know if there's a lot of crime in the area, or if police are just, you know, over patrolling a certain area? What we begin to see our own patterns of what's happening. You know, a lot of times the people don't get to see that. And what if, you know, we used our rights and our First Amendment to find out where police, not only police but first responders, ambulance, we the people would like to know what's going on at all times. You know, maybe we want to go to the area and do some news coverage, or maybe avoid the area, you know, to allow traffic to flow through, and you know, it allows us to have the decision of where to go. What if we're on the way to work and we see that there's an accident or a traffic stop nearby? Like I said, I know GPS will kind of give you accidents and stuff like that. But what if there's traffic stops nearby, or what if a cop is speeding from one road to the other? Maybe you don't want to be hit by the cop. There's a lot of good reasons why I think an app like this would work. Let me know. Like I said, if you guys have any ideas, if you guys create apps, have at it. I didn't patent this idea or nothing like that, but I think it would be possible, just because the First Amendment is extremely strong if we know how to use it. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe to the Dudes channel if you can. Peace.